Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use HK collagen powder. To begin, measure 1 level scoop of the powder. Next, take about 8 ounces of your favorite beverage, like water or juice, and pour it into a glass. Now, add the measured collagen powder to the liquid. Stir the mixture thoroughly for about 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved and the liquid is clear. This ensures you get all the benefits from each serving. For the best results, consistency is key, so aim to consume your HK collagen powder daily. You can take it at any time that suits your routine, whether that's with a meal or on an empty stomach. Its versatility means it blends seamlessly into various drinks. Try adding it to your morning coffee, a post-workout smoothie, or even a glass of water for a simple, effective boost to your wellness. Regular use of HK collagen powder can offer several benefits, supporting the health of your skin, hair, and nails, helping them look their best. It also plays a role in maintaining strong joints and bones, contributing to overall mobility and well-being. To preserve its quality and potency, always store your collagen powder in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, ensuring it stays fresh for every use. Before incorporating any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant or nursing, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Additionally, always review the ingredient list carefully to ensure there are no potential allergens that could cause an adverse reaction. Your health and safety are paramount. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.